Hi guys! Today I'm playing Flood Escape 2. Hard, I need to get better at parkour, but I want to learn. So I'm gonna be playing this game. Let's get into it. IDK, which maps are hard. So I'm just picking random maps. Okay, doesn't seem too hard. About not being hard. It's how the mechanics work. So feel free to give me advice. I'd appreciate if you like and subscribe. Now let's watch this epic map play. I struggle a lot in this game, because it's one of my first times playing. I'm just following everyone else. But it's pretty confusing. As of editing, I have crazy vlog skin, so I'll make a short at that. And I die. These people have cool avatars. Waiting for next map. While we wait, I have an upcoming thing. So make sure to ring the bell for when it drops. It's starting. Wait for it. Finally. Says that this level is easy. Little bit confusing. My teammates are leaving Mebigan. Gotta lock in and catch up. Without them, this is gonna be hard to navigate. Oh no, I fell. And I'm dead again. Decided to go to a private so I can train. Okay, this is prob easier because I choose the maps. This map seems as. Now I can't get overruled. Seem easy enough. Okay, gotta take damage here. How do I get out? Finally. Now what? How do I even get there? This isn't working. I think I have to get up there. Yeah, I think I have to give up. GG's, this one seems cool. It's golden. We're going up, up, up. Button. Okay, time to do hardcore parkour. I hope you guys like this video because it's taking months to push this out. Now, I don't know if y'all can tell, but I've been getting better and better at parkour. For some reason, it just feels so easy, y'all know. This game is really fun. Now, let me clear some stuff. The account I'm playing on currently as a vid is banned. As of now, in real time, I'm using an alt account. Now back to the gameplay. Up the ladder. Another button. Okay, time to go this way. I have to go in the water. Ooh. Ooh, purple. Hey, we are almost at the first half of the video. Is that worth at least a like? This map is very cool. How do I get up? Oh. Okay, I need to press another button. Can't let the water touch me. Ladder. Another button. Oh, cube area. Okay, gotta press another one. There's a zip wire. The water is rising. Gotta do this quickly. Guys like this video. Wall jump. How do I get back? New map. F. Okay, I'm back. How do I get there? Oh. As jumps. The water is close. Okay, in here, but water is close. Gotta escape. Gotta hurry. How do I get up? So dead. Wait, NVM. I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna go to a public. Hopefully, I'm better now. What did I just boost? That looks like a cool map. What is insane? I'll just follow everyone else, I guess. What are we doing? I'm gonna oof. Back to the lobby I go. Guess I'll just wait. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more of this content. By the way, time for 92 subs.